Hi guys, welcome to Short Nail Life. So in today's video, this is another Madam Glam video. They sent out 4 more colors for me to try, and these are the 4 colors. You guys, I've worked with Madam Glam so many times, so if you don't know what Madam Glam is or who they are a vegan company. They are cruelty free, 21 free, palm oil free, and henna free. So I tell you guys, if you have allergies or sensitive skin or anything like that, this is a great company to use. But this first color is called In All Honesty. This is I guess you'll call it a syrup gel, and it was just a green see-through like teal color. The next color is called The Change, and it is a beautiful glittery pink. It does have chunky and fine glitter in it as well. Next color is called Yeah Baby. I don't know how to say that. And as you can see, it's like a orange syrup color. These are so perfect for some of the looks I have in my head, so get ready for those. And then next up is Purity, which is a milky white color, which I'm super happy to have. I mixed this color up so many times that I'm super happy to have a polish. But if you want to check out any of these colors, I'll have a link down in the description box that will take you directly to Madam Glam's website, where you can save extra 35% off using my code, which I'll pop up right here. But if you don't want to be a VIP member once you check out, just hit pay as you go, and of course introduce that code at checkout. But let's just get started with today's video. So I'm gonna be honest, today's video is inspired by Robin Moses. However, I did not look up the tutorial. This is a video I've seen when I first started my nail journey, like maybe I don't know how many years ago that was. But I will link Robin Moses' channel down below because I don't actually have the picture. I just remember her doing a set like this, and I fell in love, and I've always wanted to do that set. So that's where this set inspiration came from. And I'm just gonna be honest, I've made a ton of mistakes and I did not like my final product, but I'm gonna tell you what I did to actually love this set. So as you can see, I did go ahead and I painted 3 nails this nude color. I'm about to completely get rid of them. So as you can see, I did use Purity on that one nail, and I decided Purity was going to be my background color. And as you can see, it did not show up on that nude nail when I just showed you that nail. I'm kind of moving fast, I'm sorry, but it didn't show up. So I decided that I was just going to take all of the nails and get clear ones and start all over. And I would paint the nude on afterwards because I did not want you to see my nails through the tips, because I was going to wear these, and I also don't want you to see the stand. So as you can see, I'm just kind of going through putting my milky white in all of the colors I wanted them to go in. That pinky nail, it was just kind of I had this thought if you know those Y2K, I guess you can say, nails where they did the airbrush, the one in the far back were faded and then the ones closer up were more opaque. That was my inspiration. So this nail right here is the one inspired by Robin Moses. She did this set with this milky butterfly and this milky rose. And like I said, I've been obsessed with it for years, but I've never tried it myself. So this is my attempt. I'm just going to be honest, I did not like the butterfly. I completely hated this nail. And so there was nothing I could do in my mind to fix it. But I know there's something I could do. I just need to practice more, and I think I will get better at it. So this nail right here, I was completely scared to do, but I'm happy I did it because I actually love the results. So as you can see, I'm just putting down the white on this nail, and I do 2 coats on most of the nails, except for that pinky, because I wanted one side to look more faded than the other, if that makes sense. So I'm sorry I didn't say that at that point, but I am now going in and I am adding my nude. I hated the nude I chose. The first nude shades that I had were Autumn Aurora, and I can't remember, I think it was Playa. I'm not sure. I'll pop it up on the screen. The second time I did it, which I just showed you, I used Soft Pink and Autumn Aurora because I really wanted it to be more pink than, I don't know, beige or nude. So that's what I did. So I've just got my Blossom Gel from Madam Glam. I put it all over this nail, and then I took that Purity color, and now I'm just kind of making these petals for my roses. To all of you who can do this and it turns out beautiful, How? Like, I don't get it. I think what I came up with did not look right. So I'm going to show you kind of what I did to fix it. So first off, I went back to my pinky nail. So I'm going to start putting in all of the white on there. And I am using my Madam Glam white gel paint. So I just put the white in a scraggly line on this nail. I really feel like I could have added more lines or vines, whatever you want to call it, on this nail. But I don't know, I like this nail. I thought it was unique. So right here, I told you guys, I thought this was just weird. I didn't think it came out right. So my brain was like, you know what? Take that gel paint and just add some white through the nail. I feel like this really made it pop, and this made it look like a blossom rose or blooming rose, because I don't get the technique. I don't understand it, but I ended up loving this. And if you do not like it and it's wrong, please don't let me know, because I actually love the way this turned out. So I'm very happy with this nail. And like I said, I just put the white wherever I felt like. I really didn't have a real space to put it. There was no strategic thought to it. I just went for it. And then now I'm just going to fill in the butterfly. Like I said, I did not like this nail. I just felt like I messed up in a lot of ways. I think I messed up the butterfly shape, but it's fine. I need to practice a little bit more. I have not really been drawing too much on my nail sets. I've kind of been playing more with stamping. And I don't know, I feel like since I have not been using that skill, I'm kind of losing it. And I've already was not that great in the beginning. So I really need to practice drawing more than I have been right now. But this was really cute. What I think messed up the nail was the nude. So if you do a lot of milky or syrup colors, tell me, how do you introduce your nude shades? Like, how do you put the nude on there? Because I felt like if I didn't put a nude, you would see my nail and I couldn't have just a clear nail, if that makes sense. So that's why I had to put it there, just to like hide my nail. But I think had I built this nail, it probably would have turned out a little bit better. But again, there will still be a nude under it. I don't know. Tell me you guys' thoughts and opinions. I would really love to hear it, because I'm kind of confused about this nail, really. But yeah, I'm just, like I said, drawing the butterfly, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of it. So next up, I am going to take my no wipe top coat, and I'm going to go over the middle fingernail. So I really was afraid to do this, because everything was so pure white. I didn't know if I should put chrome on top of the milky white, but I'm so happy I did, because I think that looked so pretty and it really did complement the set. I really loved it. So I did only cure that no wipe top coat for 45 seconds. I did not go the full minute. And then I rubbed on the chrome. Now I'm just going to take my chrome top coat, which is a cheaper top coat that I don't mind ruining, and I just went over the nail with that as well. And now I'm just going to take some rhinestone glue, some clear rhinestones, and some alloy pieces along with caviar beads, and I'm going to start building my rhinestone clusters, I guess. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't have a plan. I'm kind of winging it, and I do the caviar beads off camera because they're kind of so tedious to do. I do want to be honest and say I wished I recorded them, because without the caviar beads on here, it kind of looks plain, but as soon as I added them, they really popped. So if you're trying to play around with rhinestone placement, something that I learned with this particular set, have those different size caviar beads. I know we're always talking about the rhinestones, but different size caviar beads also help as well, because I've noticed sometimes when I just do the really tiny ones, which are my favorite, the really tiny ones are too small for certain parts and you can't see it. So I now play with the different sizes, and I think that really worked for this set. So if you just saw what I put down, that was actually a crescent moon. I've done this a few times, and I just put it at the top of the nail to make it kind of like a semicircle for the rhinestone to sit in. So that's a hack. If you have some crescent moons, they turn them sideways and they're beautiful to sit a rhinestone in. So again, I'm just building my placements, and once you see it with the caviar beads, I feel like it really popped. I really love them, which is this. I love these. I think it turned out so beautiful. So now I'm going to top coat everything because it has not been top coat yet. And I do try to get those caviar beads, in there as well, because they can turn, and the alloy pieces as well. You want to go over them with your top coat because it can turn as well. And I don't know how I could have put rhinestones around that butterfly, but if you have a suggestion, please let me know, because I was really racking my brain trying to figure out, or I could have just did it around the cuticle like the rose. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the final results. I really love the way this nails turned out. I still don't like the butterfly nails. That's the only nail that's kind of bugging me, but I love this. And these are the nails outside in the sunlight. I love them in the sunlight, the sparkle and the bling. Like, it is so beautiful. I just want to say thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I make new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.